think of anything off the top of my
Okay.
head.
And I guess my last question, which really plays off of that one, is just what do you feel would be most important about researching how cancer is connected to epigenetics? Like what?
Well, I think that the ultimate impact would be that if we can understand how epigenetic influences drive unregulated cell growth in cancer, then it would seem like that could have some of the greatest potential for cancer therapies. So.
Cancer is one of the leading causes of death across the world. Millions of people across racial, ethnic, and socioeconomic backgrounds are affected by it. Cancer does not target the rich or poor, the minority, or the gender. Cancer is a universal killer. Because it is so widespread and does not discriminate, why is there still no cure? It's not for lack of funding. In fact, nearly $5 billion was spent on cancer research in 2013 alone. This then begs the question, where is this money going? In short, not where it should be. Epigenetics is the study of changes in the DNA of a person over time. For many years, this field had been at a standstill. It grew stagnant in its results, and other fields began taking precedence. However, something remarkable occurred in 2003 that would revitalize the field of epigenetics and unlock the key to understanding exactly what makes a body work. This event was the completion of the Human Genome Project. This resulted in a completed map of the human genome. Once this was available to researchers, real work began to be done within epigenetics once again. The results produced were nothing short of incredible. Through modern research in the field of epigenetics, it has been discovered that there is a definitive connection between changes in the way someone's DNA is read and the development of cancer. This discovery is quite literally life-changing. Other fields are not without merit. Experimentation on rabbits revealed how tobacco played a role in the development of lung cancer. Disease research led to the discovery that late-stage immune system viruses also lead to the development of cancer. However, these results only cover mostly preventable causes of cancer. Epigenetics goes much deeper. It analyzes the root of the issue. It reveals how a once completely healthy body can become riddled with cancer after just a few mutations and completely normal DNA processing pathways. Overall, epigenetics is, in a very real sense, the key. Understanding how cancer develops at the genetic level is key to finding a cure. To understand patterns of development is key to further prevention, and all of this is key to the survival of people across the country and globe.
In breast cancer, for example, mutations in the gene for p53 result in the loss of cells' ability to repair DNA and can contribute to cancer development. But it's becoming clear that it's not just genetic mutations that contribute to cancer development. It's also how our genes are controlled. Epigenetics literally means on top of or in addition to our genes. The EpiFemCare project is focusing on the most common epigenetic change, called DNA methylation. This is the addition of a CH3 molecule or methyl group to the DNA. Epigenetic changes can control whether our genes are switched on or off. Erroneous epigenetic events, such as too much methylation at genes important for maintaining healthy cells, are very much a feature of cancer.
Knowing all of this, it is clear the field of epigenetics is the most promising in regards to finding a cure for cancer. However, funding is still not finding its way to researchers in this field. Billions of dollars are being wasted on old research that holds very little promise of ever leading to something productive. In order for cancer to be eradicated, change must occur. Old budgets must be reevaluated or thrown out altogether. Foundations and boards must revitalize the same way the field of epigenetics has and start yielding real results. How can this happen? You can make a change. Write to your congressman. Contact the foundations in charge of handling where this money goes. Get involved in research. Research more yourself. Become educated on the topic and proactively seek a solution. For the survival of millions of people across the globe, it is vital that we switch gears. Epigenetics holds the key to the cure for cancer. All we must do is find it.